Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to Massey's Tiny Motors. Today is a very special day. We are waiting for the Gotway MSP 2500 watt high torque edition to make its way from the FedEx truck into this room. And I'm really excited. So far, 3 FedEx trucks have gone by. What is that? Take care.
Yeah.
Holy heck, this thing is heavy. Oh my god! Jeez, I really should have not used my back just then. Oh wow, it's a huge charger, 3 amps. And I'm gonna do 2 hands on this. Ooh. Oh man, there is nothing quite like a new wheel. Yeah, it smells like chemicals and all the things I like. It's a looker in person. It's so cool. Got this super sweet 3-inch tire, which is huge. This is a huge tire. Let's turn it on, shall we? Here we go, 3, 2, 1. I had to figure out the sequence by reading the email from Jason at eWheels. To turn this on and unlock it, you need to hold down the wheel and spin anti-lock whatever switch, and then press this 5 times and it'll unlock the wheel. So, should turn on now. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh yeah. Here it is. Man, what a monster. Ooh. Very cool. Okay. So, here we have the Roll NZ Bodyguard. So far, I'm liking the fit a little bit better than on my 16X. It takes some massaging, you know, it's like putting on a wetsuit. Or a dry suit, hopefully, dry suit. All right, got the tire pumped up to 45. Look at this cover, look at the way it came out. It's really clean. I love how like the pedals just go, oh, that's a great noise. Let's take it outside, let's try it out. Wow, those are big pedals. It already feels monstrous. Let's go for it. Oh boy, I don't want to drop it. Here we go. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Oh man. Wow, straight away, it feels really good. Straight away. I am noticing there's a little bit of a tire rubbing sound coming. I really don't want to push this for like the first 20 miles. No, there are some Gotway wheels that are smoking, so I don't want to do that to mine, and I'm just gonna let kind of everything heat up in there nice and slowly. And yeah, man, it feels really good straight out of the gate. I really like it. Trolley handle is really weird. Compared to the Kingsong 16X, this is fun. Fun in a way that might terrify some people.
That's smaller, significantly.
What do you think?
I can tell it's just like freaking raging. It's like, let's go. Are you working on your review already?
Yeah, you're gonna be in it.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
I don't usually have paper cups. This is kind of the only thing I can do right now. Yeah, I mean, I don't know a whole lot about these, but this is, you know, it's a wheel.
All right, so riding the brand new Gotway MSP. First of all, this thing just clicks right away. Like I noticed right away that I really enjoyed the tire. The tire feels really great. And I'm so excited for all the surprises that it's gonna throw my way. So yeah, let's keep riding. Let's figure out kind of how it kind of stacks up to the 16X. I don't feel like it's as maneuverable as the 16X. The interesting thing about the 16X is that the tire always wants to stand up, whereas this tire is much more willing to lay down. So, you know, backwards seems pretty okay. And the torque, man, that torque from back to front, that was a lot of torque. Can't wait to get this thing on some trails. Let's get on the group ride, and let's see how it makes some impressions. Here we are, Friday night ride. We've got Ken, we've got Brad, a 16X, and some Super 73s, and another MSP with a knobby, and some pints, some e-skates.
He's on his kayak, or at least that's how he's getting here. He's on his kayak with his this.
We are rolling